Jason said he wants coffee.
What'd you say? You want a cup of coffee?
Do you have coffee?
I'll get you coffee.
Well, I wonder if he was gonna make it.
No, I just. What do you want?
Are you gonna have some?
Yeah, I'll get you some. What do you want in it?
Cream and sugar?
Cream and sugar?
Yeah, sweet.
Sweet and low? You want sweet and low or sugar?
Sugar.
Sugar. How many spoons?
3.
3 spoons. No wonder you're so sweet.
Depending how strong it is, if you make it strong, yeah, 3.
No, I'm making it one of those out of the pots, you know?
Oh, those are great coffees. My daughter got that. I gotta buy one.
Okay.
Cougar.
Julian, you want coffee?
Come on, Julian, have coffee.
Alright.
You say you did want coffee?
Yeah, I'll take one.
What do you want in yours?
The same way, however you guys make it. I'm not a big coffee drinker like that, so.
Okay. I'll go make a couple cups.
Thanks, Chief. I appreciate it.
I got some beef barley soup too. You want some beef barley? I made it myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe after the job I'll taste it. You really made it yourself?
Yeah.
Like, is it from your family recipe